you are currently watching this while violently swishing mouthwash because your teeth hurt, pause the video. You're actually making it worse. I've practiced dentistry for almost 2 decades now, and let me tell you a secret. My favorite patients are the ones who show up every 6 months, brush twice a day, floss like an angel, and still have 5 new cavities every time they sit in my chair. They look at me like I'm a wizard, and I look at them like they're paying for my next vacation. But seriously, why does this happen? You blame sugar. Your mom blamed sugar. But sugar is just the entry-level scapegoat. Today, we are breaking the ultimate dental myth. Here are 5 hidden reasons your teeth are rotting out of your skull, even though your home care is flawless. Reason 1. The acidic battery acid test. Reason number 1. You are literally drinking battery acid. We've been conditioned to think sugar-free means cavity-free. It's a lie. Cavities are not directly caused by sugar. They are caused by acid destroying your enamel. Your enamel starts dissolving the second your mouth hits a pH level below 5.5. Let's do some basic math. Real car battery acid has a pH of about 1. Now let's look at your daily routine. That Monster Energy drink you chug to survive your morning shift, pH of 2.7. Your favorite Pepsi or Coca-Cola Classic, pH of 2.3. Even that healthy, calorie-free sparkling mineral water sits around 3.9. You are not hydrating. You are chemically washing your mouth with liquid corrosion. Every sip is an open invitation for your enamel to melt. Reason 2. The rinse and spent sabotage. Reason number 2. Your post-brushing routine is self-sabotage. Think about what you do right after you brush your teeth. You spit, you grab a cup of water, and you rinse your mouth completely clean. Congratulations. You just washed all your expensive toothpaste down the drain. Toothpaste contains fluoride that converts your weak tooth minerals into fluorapatite, which is a supercrystal highly resistant to acid. But here's the catch. It takes roughly 30 minutes of direct contact for that chemical reaction to actually work. When you rinse immediately with water or over-the-counter mouthwash, you instantly strip the active fluoride away. From now on, spit, do not rinse, and walk away. Let it sit. Yes, it tastes weird. Deal with it. Reason 3. Mouth breathing and the ghost town effect. Reason number 3. You are a closet mouth breather. If you wake up with a dry mouth, your teeth are essentially sitting in an environmental hazard zone all night. Your saliva is your mouth's natural security guard. It continuously neutralizes harmful acids and pumps calcium back into your enamel. When you sleep with your mouth open, your saliva completely evaporates. Your mouth becomes a dry, stagnant ghost town where cavity-causing bacteria multiply without any opposition. If you have chronic nasal congestion or sleep apnea, your teeth are paying the price long before you ever eat breakfast. Reason number 4. The continuous snacking loop. It is not about how much carbohydrate or acid you eat. It is about how often you eat it. Every time you eat a tiny cracker, take a sip of coffee, or pop a breath mint, your oral pH drops into the danger zone for up to 30 minutes. If you eat a massive slice of cake all at once, your mouth faces one single acid attack. But if you slowly graze on a small bag of chips or sip a single iced coffee over a 4-hour period, your teeth are continuously bathed in destructive acid for 4 hours straight. Stop grazing. Eat your food, wash it down, and give your saliva room to do its job. Reason 5. Hidden gastrointestinal acid reflux, or GERD. Reason number 5. Your stomach is enacting revenge on your teeth. Many patients swear they never drink soda or snack between meals, yet their back molars are completely eroded. The culprit? Silent acid reflux, also known as GERD. While you are fast asleep, highly concentrated stomach acid quietly creeps up your esophagus and floods your mouth. Remember how I said battery acid has a pH of 1? Well, your stomach acid sits at an identical hypercorrosive pH of 1. It literally dissolves your teeth from the back forward while you sleep. If you wake up with a sour taste or an unexplained sore throat, you do not need a better toothbrush. You need a gastroenterologist. Outro A&D call to action, so stop blaming the occasional piece of candy for your dental bills. Drop the immediate post-brush water rinse, step away from the continuous energy drink sipping, and let your enamel breathe. Drop a comment below telling me which of these habits you are guilty of. Hit that subscribe button so I can keep saving your teeth, and maybe help me pay off my own student loans. See you at your next checkup